Okay, in today's episode, Zhen and I were gonna cook pork. And? Good, let's go. Where's your pan? The frying pan. Alright, let's go. Hey, don't move on now. Don't get too close. Wait. First, the may saka. Who is there? Wait. Where's the lighter? Come here. Come here. Come on. Okay, now we're gonna cook pork and egg. Jojo, he's halfway.
Huh?
Halfway.
No, I can do that again.
We'll do like this, okay?
Okay.
Have you had this? 고기다라. No?
Yeah, I am. Okay, I'm gonna do that.
You don't like that?
Yeah.
You're stupid.
I do that. I can do.
Wait. Okay. Now be ready. Wait. Hey, you go. Flopper. So.
I don't do that.
Yeah, very good.
And remember.
Slowly. I know. Slow. 아빠만 정도이다 China. Everywhere. Don't get too close to the fire. This side also. 뭐지 가을은. Too much salt now. Stop. Enough. What are you doing, man? It's not even moving. Ours is it's messed up. You serve. Oh, my God. What the hell is this, bro? Where's your plate? Oh. 그래는 우리야. That's the worst omelet ever. 알아? 야. We're gonna put what is this? What the hell is wrong with my camera? Alright, we're gonna put chili, King chili. Then let's fry it up first. I don't know how to cook, man. Jenna, here. Alright, then we're gonna some spice, yes. Put it right. Okay.
I'm making.
So, 걸릴 수 있는 게 본 일단 써봐. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, I think cleaning there.
장면 물음랑 성스러워 까봐 해라. We're gonna put everything. Oh, huh.
What will happen? Oh, I think you add your
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're right. You're right. Alright, we're gonna heat it up. We're gonna put the meat, and we're gonna cook for 3 hours. 3 hours max. Mấy mong rồi đi.
Oh, yeah, I think you need that.
Yes. Alright, so
Oh, I think you need that.
we're gonna put the one piece fall down here. Authentic Lumbi hang pie, and we're gonna cook this. This pot will give the meat a tender way of cooking, and then we're gonna grind it. We're gonna mix it. I'm not gonna mix it anymore. This will spoil the shape of the meat. We're gonna just cook this for 3 hours or maybe 2.5 hours approximately. We're gonna cook it very well. The most important part about cooking pork is you have to, cook it very, very well. Like cook it properly. If you have like if you don't cook it well, yeah, pork meats are very dangerous. It can cause a lot of disease and all. Okay, so we need to cook it very well. We're gonna cook it for half an hour. 3.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Let's go. In a while, I'll add some colors, chili and turmeric. But as for now, we'll just cook it. As for now, yeah, we'll just keep it as it is. Now we're gonna add some turmeric and some chili powder. Beautiful, beautiful. How beautiful is that? Mi pawaina shak, achon kutui haira. 자, 상당하게 해. 하면 되냐?
양 기름 손에
양 손에
보다
손에 chili powder 나, Tangkhul 나.
좀 넣고
손드시 나.
양 여기 맛 양.
양 손드시 나.
아이 얼음 손
하?
얼음 손
그다음에
너무
Hello.
들어 안에 봐.
무리 성나.
왜요?
이거 좀 성에 양아.
웬들어. 그래서 서로 봐.
상당 그래 다게. 아루 성 아루 형프레야 항상. 저 그만 저. 오. 저 전전 you take shower now. Let's have we're gonna have dinner. Okay? Go to your house and take shower. Okay. Take shower here. Man, my sister and my cousin sister, they comment on the curry. They don't know what's coming, man. This is gonna be the best ever. You're not chef, I'm the chef, bro. Come on. Damn, son. How beautiful is this? This is a work of art. This is a work of art. How beautiful is this? This is like Picasso magic. Let's go. Now, time to add some salt. I think that's enough. That's enough. Cooking pork in a clay pot. Cooking pork in a clay pot. Now this is amazing, man. Come on. How beautiful is this? I'm gonna add some more water and I'm gonna cook some more. I'm gonna add some more water and cook some more. This is beyond beauty. Alright, final ingredient. Thai. This is Thai noodle. I don't know how you call it. Alright. This is gonna be amazing. Final product. This is how it looks like. Taste sauce này. Ten out of 10. I have never tasted anything like this in my life. This is the best.